Discovery Kid and this is
Discovery Bird.
and today we're horse riding.
Yeah.
It's his first time
Yeah.
and I'm going to tell you about the stuff that we wear. Just keep saying. First of all, we wear jumpers to get to the saddle. Then we wear gloves. You don't have to wear gloves. And then you wear a back protector if you fall off so you don't break a rib cage or anything. And then you wear a hat, and then you wear boots. Come on, let's go ride the horses.
Where are you keeping your feet?
On store.
Ah, interesting. Let's see Discovery Kids ones.
Yeah, I've got.
Yours look special.
Yeah, mine is special. Safety ones.
Ah,
Because if I fall off, these come off and it's locked in there so it doesn't always come off. And so if I fell off like that, my foot wouldn't dangle in the syrup, being dragged along and going 100 miles per hour. Right, I'll show you a canter. Back, put fly mask and fly spray because we will fly in this heat. See ya. Goodbye. We need to eat our dinner.
Yeah.
Come on. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Make sure you like and subscribe.